So I'm making this video to talk about an upcoming project that I have where I'm going to be replacing the seat covers. These are the seat covers that my brother had made by an upholstery shop. And they're nice looking. I mean, they're new, not too old, but I never did really care for them, honestly. I like more like the original style seat covers better. So I have an extra set of seats that came out of the DeVille parts car. So what I'm going to do is reupholster the seats that are in the parts car, and I'm going to test out the power seats. This is not a power seat, this is a manual seat. But I'm going to test out the power seat motors and everything and see if they work, and if they do, I'm going to put them in this car. So this car will have power seats. Being a Cadillac, it had manual seats. So when I do eventually get mine reupholstered, these will be coming up for sale, but it's probably going to be a while. And they're pretty good for somebody who don't have anything any better. And I mean, if you want a custom look, that's what this is. I kind of like the original style look. Custom looks are not really something that I prefer, but these will be good for somebody. And that's what my goal is. But I just wanted to show you what's in here right now, and I'm going to show you the seat covers that's going to be in here. And that's all this video is. It's just kind of a preview of what's coming. So the new seat covers are made by PUI. I've only found 2 places that make seat covers that are pre-made for 67 Cadillacs. One of them is on lseat.com, and they're Chinese for sure. And they kind of, I don't know, I don't get the best feeling from when I look at them. If anybody has put them on and they like them, leave some comments on here and talk about them. But PUI is a company that makes almost all the seat covers for a lot of the classic cars, and they seem to be pretty good quality. They're the same as they're the company that made the ones for my Impala. And I'm going to pull these out of the box so you can see what they look like. So this is the base of the bench seat, and you see it has the perforated design on these sections, and it comes with the buttons that make, once you put it all together, the button kind of sits in the middle of each one of these squares, just like the original was. And the seat covers are vinyl. And I know it'd probably be cooler if they were leather. You'd probably have to get somebody to custom make that, or buy the ones that are for sale on the internet that we were talking about, from L Seat. I just am not sure about the quality. There's another guy has a video of ones he put on a 68, and he was complaining about having to sew stuff onto them and everything else, where my experience with the PUI, they were ready to install. These are the backs for the front bench seat, and they're turned inside out right now. They will have vinyl edges. I mean, when you put them on, they just turn them inside out to make it easier. And they have nice foam on the back of them, like sponge. I guess that'll give it the puffed out look. And also it comes with the armrest cover. It was turned inside out, but I turned it right side out. I've been kind of looking at it, seeing what's involved with installing it. And these are the backs of the seats. The back of the front seat. And the back seat basically looks like the bottom of this front seat. It comes with wind lace material. I'm not sure where that goes yet, but it comes with material to cover all the parts. Every single part of the seat that has material on it right now comes with the material to do that. And it's already pre-cut. So here's the buttons. And you can see the buttons, they stick through. You have to install every one of them yourself. They're gonna stick through and pull in behind the foam most likely. I put them on my brother's, I put one on my brother's Caprice in that video if you look at that. But yeah, the stuff looks, I'm very excited to put them on, but it may be a while before I do it because I'm still doing some major work on the car, like putting the engine in and getting ready to start putting the front fenders and stuff back together after I clean them up and paint the insides of them. But so one box has all the front seat parts in it, and you have to order them separately. You don't, for some reason, they don't sell front and back. Well, I know what the reason is. The reason is that convertibles have a different back seat upholstery. So this is the part of the back seat. You see, that's the back of the back seat. I mean the seat of the back seat. And this is the back of the back seat. You can see where the armrest goes in. And it also comes with the armrest cover too. There's the armrest cover and the buttons. See, the armrest cover's turned inside out like I told you the other one was. But anyway, that's basically all this video is for, is to show what's going to be coming up. And I know a lot of people will be interested in this because there's not a lot of companies that make the seat covers. And, so I ordered these from RPUI, which is company that owns, Trim Parts is part of the same company. They make a lot of aftermarket parts. And like I said, I ordered them directly from RPUI. I didn't want to deal with OPGI because I heard so many bad things. They also sell these seat covers. But I've heard a lot of bad things about OPGI lately. And I figured it'd be better to go straight to the source because that's who they get them from anyway. All right, well, please like and subscribe. That way you can get the updates on the car. When I start doing these seats, you'll get to see it. Thank you for watching.